you ever wondered how to make your very first dollar? Or even your first $1,000 when you're still young? Most of us think it's impossible, but I did it. And in this video, I'm going to share my entire journey, from someone who knew nothing about business to earning my first $1,000. This isn't just my story. It's a roadmap you can start following today. It all started with a simple idea. When I was a student, I noticed a huge demand for custom and handmade goods. People were willing to pay for unique, one-of-a-kind items on platforms like Etsy or Shopify. That's when I thought, why don't I start a small project designing custom t-shirts and mugs? I didn't have a lot of money, just about $50 from my savings. I started by exploring print-on-demand platforms like Printify and Printful. These platforms let you design and sell products without needing to hold any inventory. They print the product and ship it directly to the customer every time an order comes in. The first step was to create designs. I used Canva and Figma to make simple, fun designs that tapped into current trends on TikTok and Instagram. Then, I listed these designs on a small shop I set up on Etsy. I focused on niche markets like t-shirts for dog lovers or funny coffee mugs for Gen Z. After listing my products, I had to learn how to market them. I created a dedicated TikTok and Instagram account, posting short videos about my design process and funny stories related to the t-shirts. Even though I didn't go viral right away, those videos helped me get my very first orders. At first, I was only making $5 or $10 per sale. But little by little, the numbers started to grow. Here are the 3 biggest lessons I learned. 1. You don't need a lot of capital to start. Business models like print-on-demand helped me begin without worrying about inventory. 2. Learn how to solve problems. From finding design ideas to responding to customer feedback, every challenge was an opportunity for growth. 3. Leverage social media platforms. TikTok and Instagram are the most effective and free marketing tools for a small business. So what about you? Are you ready to start your own journey to earning your first money? Let me know your ideas in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss my next videos on how I'm investing and growing my personal finances.